The actual maiden flight of the Corvalis was last week, and it flew very, very tail heavy. In fact, Steve was brilliant in getting it down in one piece. So my calculation was way off. I've sorted that problem out and a few other little issues that were discovered. And today we'll have another go. Hopefully you can see on the wing here I've marked the 25% and 30% mark, and our CFG is now somewhere in the centre there, so we should be good to go. Let's see how we get on. I think it would be stall.
11. Oh.
That's better.
Good man. Woohoo!
It's not bad.
Yeah.
A quarter of the wing was the one.
Yeah, that's the trick.
That's smoother.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you see how it doesn't roll so fast.
Alright. Sweet.
Right on, we'll step back a little bit, we'll try and get straight in front of the camera. Oh, see that turn there?
Yeah.
It went steep, and because I didn't have full ailerons, it didn't want to come straight back out. Every piece is numbered, you know, because it was rolling through. It's flying through.
Nicely done.
That should be there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to put full ailerons in it, get the half. I don't think I dare go any closer than that.
No.
So battery wise, what do you think?
Well, it, once it gets down to 10 volts, we're pretty much there.
Good. Right, let's bring it round.
We've had a few minutes.
Let's have a, yeah, it's there.
Nicely done. Yes, sirree.
That was a little bit of luck. I didn't have enough as well. It was starting to dip on us. It's all right.
And there we have it, a successful flight of the Cessna Corvalis. Many thanks to Steve for trimming it out for me, and thanks for watching.